Today's category can be a combination of a highball drink or a smoothie. And the name of the drink we're going to be making today is what I call a blue coconut cloud. A blue coconut cloud. I have to give respect to Jennifer Mayering. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. Her website is jennifermayering.com. She gave me the inspiration for this drink video idea. So thank you, Jennifer, for your great blog. Okay. So, anyways, this drink, fun drink, very easy to make, very simple to make. I am going to be using a blender for this video, unlike my other videos where I use a shaker or a stir, because again, this drink has more of a smoothie kind of vibe to it. The ingredients we're going to be using for this drink today, we're going to be using 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to use half an ounce of Blue Curaçao. We're going to use 1 ounce of vodka. We're going to use about a small cupful or an ounce, however you want to measure it, of creme de coconut, which I have here. Okay, and we're going to use coconut flakes on the rim of our glass to garnish the rim of our glass. Okay, and I've prepared the coconut garnish here, and we're going to use the creme de coconut here on the rim of the glass to make the coconut stick. Okay, we're going to use ice, about a cupful of ice in the blender. The ice is what's going to give it the smoothie, cloudy effect. We're going to blend it. We're going to serve it in a nice little cocktail glass with a straw. Okay, so let's make this drink quickly. So first and foremost, we're going to put the blending ingredients together. All right. So always start off with your ice, about a cupful of ice to start. Okay. Okay. That should do it. All right. I'm going to put this to the side. Next up, let's put this front and center. Next up, let's start with the ingredient list. We're going to start off with half an ounce. I'm not going in any particular order of what I said. So half an ounce of Blue Curaçao to give it that blue vibe. Okay, we're going to do 1 ounce of vodka. Okay, to give it a nice kick. Okay, we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. All right. And like I said, about a cupful of the creme de coconut. I already have a can open, so I'm just going to use my spoon here and scoop up about, I'm going to move this to me here, just because I don't want to make a mess. So I usually use about 2 teaspoonfuls of this. And as you'll find that there's also some oil from the coconut resin in the can. If you want to add that extra coconut flavor, as I have here, you can also add some of that coconut oil to your drink. The choice is really yours. I'm just going to add a little bit, because I like that sweet flavor. Okay. All right, so we have our blending ingredients all good to go. But before I blend, I want to make sure my glass is ready. So I'm going to use a nice little cocktail glass like this. You can either dip it in the the garnish prep, as I have here. Put the front and center so you can see, right? That's the creme de coconut. That's your coconut flakes. You can garnish here, rub the glass in. You can use a spoon, teaspoonful on the rim of the glass. However you choose to do it, I'm just gonna do it like so. And then you can just dip into your coconut flakes, like so. See? And there you have it, it's rimmed. Okay? So I'm just gonna clean this so I don't have a bit of a mess. I want a nice presentation. Okay? Put this to the side like so. All right. And now I'm gonna make my drink. So I'm gonna move this blender front and center so you can see. Make sure the blender is sealed. In we go, and we blend for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. That should do the job, okay? See, nice cloudy effect. I forgot to mention that this drink is actually very similar to my Tidal Wave highball cocktail. If you haven't already, I strongly recommend you go check out that recipe. I'll put the link in the video as I make this statement, so you can click on it and go check out the Tidal Wave. The Tidal Wave has a slightly different combination of ingredients, but the coconut flavor is very similar between both drinks, okay? So here we go. Let's pour this shake in here. Look at that beauty, look at that. Beautiful. See that? Nice blue cloudy effect. And we're gonna finish off with all our drinks with a nice straw. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our blue coconut cloud. Nice, sweet drink. Again, very similar to the Tidal Wave recipe I also have in my cocktails. Very delicious drink. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Very easy to make, so please give it a shot and try to make this drink at home or wherever you may be, okay? Again, I'm Ben. I hope you enjoyed this drink recipe. If you can, please follow me on social media or subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next video in this drink series. Take care, be well, and cheers.